Hey y'all, I'm Kenzie, very welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be installing this 18-inch 3B3C kinky curly ponytail from BetterLength. It's a drawstring ponytail and it's definitely one of my go-tos when it comes to styling my natural hair. To start off, I've already moisturized my hair off camera, so I'm just taking out my clips and I'm going to be just detangling my hair. And I actually did a full wash day routine and y'all know how that goes. It's like the hair Olympics. So my hair is nice and squeaky and clean and moisturized. So like I said, I'm just taking it out of the clips. I'm going to go with my wide tooth comb and just kind of comb everything out before I start parting my hair. Now I'm just going through and parting my hair into sections, and I'm starting off with the middle part. I'm going to take it all the way to the back, and I'm parting my hair into 4 different sections. This look would also be really cute with 2 sections, but my hair is not quite long enough for that look yet, so I did 4 sections and it turned out really cute. And my cheat code, so whenever I have to part my hair like behind my head, is to use like a handheld mirror, because I'm already sitting in front of a mirror, and you just angle a second mirror behind you so you can see where you're parting. I didn't include that in here because I be looking so crazy when I try to look at myself in the back mirror. But yeah, that is definitely a must-have whenever you're parting your hair like in the back. So now that I'm done splitting my hair into sections, I'm going to go ahead and just begin doing my flat twist. Before I do that, I detangle my hair again, and then I like to use some foaming mousse just to kind of set my hair and just make sure I don't have any flyaways. Next, I go in with some edge control, and this is a major key for my hairstyles. Like, I used to use gel a lot whenever I did my hair, but I've learned that edge control makes my hairstyles look so good, and it keeps them like flat, and it makes it shiny, and it just makes it last long. So whenever I'm doing like slick back styles like this, or braids or anything, I make sure that I have a nice fresh jar of edge control, and I'm just applying that to the top and bottom of this little twist area. And again, it just helps to make everything look really neat, and it also helps with the twisting process because it kind of molds your hair into place. Next, I like to go in with a edge brush and just really smooth everything down. Again, this is another nice way to mold everything down into place and just make the twist come out a lot smoother and make the process easier. And for the twist, I'm just using like literally like a twisting method. I'm starting off a little bit off of my edges because I am trying to regrow them, so I don't want to cause too much tension. So I just take a couple pieces and I just begin twisting. And it's funny because I couldn't do flat twists for the longest. Like, I knew how to do them, and then all of a sudden I stopped knowing how to do them, but now I magically know how to do them again. So we taking advantage of this opportunity, and I just went ahead and twisted down. Once I got to the end, I just used a rubber band to secure it. And let me know if you guys would like a in-depth tutorial on how I do my flat twist. Like I said, I kind of just picked it back up, but if you guys want me to go in depth on how I relearned how to do it and like my technique, definitely leave a comment and I'll have to do a video on it. And here's how it turned out. It is giving, like I said, using edge control definitely changed the game for me. Slathering it up in edge control just makes it look shiny. It just gives it the look that I need. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that same process to the next couple sections, and then I'll catch back up with you guys. Now that I'm all done with the twist, I'm just pulling them back into a ponytail, and then I'm going to wrap that ponytail into a bun because it is time for us to throw on our drawstring ponytail. So this ponytail actually comes with clips, so I went ahead and clipped it onto my bun, and then I used the drawstring to pull it tight and make it nice and secure. After I did that, I took a piece of the hair and blended it with the drawstring and wrapped it around the base of the ponytail, and this is just to make sure that it hides the string and just keep everything in place. And again, this ponytail is from BetterLength, and it's their 18-inch 3B 3C kinky curly ponytail. And fun fact, this is actually my second one from them. The first one that I got is from like 2019, and I still have that one to this day, and I still wear her, so the quality is there. Like, I love their ponytails. That one has held me down for years, so I'm so happy to have this one. I can't wait to see what kind of styles we come up with for this one. My favorite thing about this ponytail is the texture. The texture match to my hair is literally perfect. Also, it's very, very soft. It's manageable. It's easy to wash. The hair doesn't tangle. It doesn't shed. Like I said, I've had my last one since 2019. She is still full. The quality is still there. The drawstring and everything still works. The clips are still intact. So definitely you will be getting your money's worth out of these ponytails. So after I secured the drawstring ponytail on, I literally just flipped it up, and I'm taking a scrunchie and just placing it around the base of the ponytail just to hold it in place, and then I took a claw clip and put that towards the middle of the ponytail, and then I just kind of play around with it to get it to my liking. I am doing like a flat twist, claw clip, curly kind of hairstyle, so I just wanted to play around with and the hair is already in its natural state, but I wanted to just add some foam and mousse to the ends just to lock everything into place and just get rid of some of the frizz. So I just took small sections and twirled it around my finger. Next, I just use some gel to lay my edges down, and this is what really pulls the look together. And here's the finished look. I honestly impressed myself so much with this style because, like I said, I haven't done flat twists in so long, but this turned out so cute. It's the perfect protective style for spring and summertime. It's cute, it's curly, it's light, and this kinky curly ponytail really just ties the look together. The texture is perfect. I just love how convenient it is. And again, this is an 18-inch 3B3C kinky curly ponytail from BetterLength, so I definitely recommend checking this out. I'll have all of the information for it down in my description box. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.